Now, a couple things very important. Unfortunately, we have two different size of the 7/8 bolts. We have 2 3/4 and 3-inch. 3-inch goes in all the corners, all the up and down, because there's more metal there, okay? And then the 2.5s are gonna go here, 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 here. These four all take 2.5. Bottom here, the sides take 2.5, but the bottoms take 3. Really important. We had made a mistake here, and we're swapping out and putting our 3s in. So those are the places that use 3s. Just the ones going up and down here on the seam on the bottom rail, and then the corners all get the 3s. Another thing, very important. You don't tighten your bolts until the entire bridge is assembled. Super important. If you try to tighten along the way, you're really going to have trouble.